Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Get ready to meet Chimpzee CHMPZ, where earning meets impact. Chimpzee is rewriting the crypto playbook. Imagine earning while restoring nature. They've planted 1,200 trees in the Brazil rainforest, donated $15,000 to save elephants, and put 20,000 trees in Guatemala. Ready to earn big? Chimpzee offers 3 ways to fill your wallet while saving the planet. Chimpzee Shop, shop till you earn. Every purchase helps you earn income and make a real environmental impact. NFT Marketplace, trade turn. Dive into NFT trading and turn your passion into profit. Zero tolerance game, play and earn. Have fun while contributing to a greener world. Join the Chimpzee Army and earn money while making a real change. Your impact starts here. Ready for more excitement? Chimpzee NFT Passports are your golden ticket to unlocking maximum rewards, income, and benefits. 4 tiers: diamond, gold, silver, and bronze. Without a passport, you'll still earn, but with one? Get ready for a whole new level of possibilities. Chimpzee's Presale is your chance to invest in your future and the planet's. Let's earn, fight climate change, and save animals together. Don't miss the chance. Join the Chimpzee movement now. Spread the word to your crypto buddies. Stay empowered, and catch you in the next big thing.